1, 2.
Are you a flocking bird?
Won't you stand?
Are you a flocking bird? Look at her hair and the static. We got a blanket over the bounce house. Are you a flocking bird?
Take a picture, can you, right now?
No, this is video. I'm not gonna waste video for a picture.
Let me get a picture.
Are you a flocking bird? Are you a flocking bird? I can get a picture out of the video if I want to. Are you a flocking bird? Are you a flocking bird? Cheese! She's smiling like she's smiling for a picture. Are you a flocking bird?
Show Mama cheese.
Are you an angry flocking bird? Hey, no, don't pull that down. Don't pull the blanket down. No, pull the blanket down. Flocking bird. You flocking bird. Are you the flocking bird? Are you the bounce house birdie? Are you bounce house birdie head? I love how her hair's all sticking
I
out.
can send it to your mom.
So hilarious. Are you the bounce house birdie head? Are you the bounce house birdie? Are you bounce house birdie head? Are you bounce house birdie?